pretty much I have the dash already almost halfway out. Still have a little bit more to do. As you can see, the little rust areas around this whole area right here, and this I want to be able to make sure I take care of all that. I am going to do a time-lapse video so you guys can see the dash already coming off. I just got to double check a couple things and make sure wires are not, like, you know, interacting with each other. Then I'll be able to take out the whole dash and make sure everything's going good. So I'll update you guys as I'm going. Also, for you guys that really don't know how to take off the dash on the EKs, it's really simple. Over here, let's see, I'll start you off right here. So pretty much you have one right here, there's one in the middle over here, and there's one in the bottom down there, you see it right there, and you have two right there, one right there, and the second one on the other side. Then I'll show you in a second. So then the second one, the other one's right here, right there. So that's one. And the last one, it's right there. And that should be pretty much it. Also, you do have to remove this one right here as well. I forgot about that one. And the dash should come out loose, and you should be able to just lift it up and pull. Just make sure that you unplug the fuse box. As you can see right there, I already unplugged it. Once you unplug that, pretty much the whole dash should already like move like pretty much like this. So yeah, and as you can tell, they have like little grips over here. So pretty much it hooks into it, and yeah, and then the whole dash just comes out really quick. Alright guys, so pretty much I got everything out. The dash is out, sitting over there actually. And yeah, just gonna fix up the charge harness as I was saying before on my last video. So I still have a lot of things to do. Trying to make sure I make it to AutoCon. Hopefully I'll be able to make it. I've truly been slacking on the car, but hopefully I get to, you know, start doing it and, like, you know, get the ball rolling with the car, because I really just haven't had time. Had been doing other important things more, so yeah. But oh yeah, so this is my whole brake line setup. So I made it. The valve portion is right there, you guys can see it. And yeah, still have a lot of little things here and there, and I am gonna clean that all up, so you'll see the before and after. It's not gonna look probably more needed than what it is right now, but just gonna clean up the wirings, tape up a couple things, because I usually like to have all my things OEM, so you know, I don't like to mess around with the wiring as much. I do clean it up the best I can, and yeah. But yeah, like I said, I'll give you guys a peep after, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thanks. Alright guys, so pretty much I took out the whole skeleton out already, so it's ready to get prepped and resprayed. This is how it pretty much looks with no skeleton on. Really light. It's an FYI, extremely light. There was a couple bolts to take this off, so if anybody wants to do it, you have about 4 bolts over here, the mid bolt right here, middle bolt right here, and like I said, the 4 bolts right there. There's a couple behind also that you have to take out, which is one of the vents that hits over here on this side. You have to pretty much just like loosen the vent off and pull it down, and you could like maneuver it to get the screwdriver in there. You need a little mini screwdriver and you'll be fine, and you'll be able to like just take it out one shot. You don't have to take out these brackets right here. All you have to do is pretty much take these off and you'll be fine. Also, if you see on this side right here, you have 2 screws that sits on this side right here as well, and pretty much just attached to that. I would say in total I probably took off about I want to say like 12 screws altogether to take out the whole skeleton, so it wasn't really that bad. Tomorrow I'll probably have it all together and all nice and clean as well, so we'll see how that goes. I'll give you a little tutorial on it as well, and show you how it looks. And yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, so pretty much is all nice and clean, and I did it flat black. This is just the skin, just to let you guys know. Really simple process. I ended up not sandblasting the whole thing. I should have, but this is with me trying to get to Autocon quick, so I ended up just sanding it all down with like with a willow brush, taking off all the rust, and then using thinner to like clean it all out, at least so the paint would stick really good. I did prime it. I did a first coat of primer, and then I did another second coat of primer, and pretty much this is the outcome of it. Pretty good. I like the way it's coming out. These are the products I used. For corrosion fighting, and yeah, pretty much it's primer. That's what it is. It's really good. I'm using this, and for the flat black, this is what I used. I decided to go with this one because just in case it got got pretty hot inside there, at least it won't melt or anything like that. So this is a pretty good thing. So I use this also. And yeah, it's pretty much what I have right now, and hopefully I get to start putting this together real quick and putting the dash back on. So letting it dry up a little bit. It's a little windy in New York, so hopefully it'll be able to dry up real fast. But yeah, that's the outcome of it, and hopefully it looks nice and clean inside once I'm done. Okay, so this is pretty much how it looks. Matte black. It's pretty good. I love the way it's looking. At least it looks way more cleaner than I was before, but a little closer look, so you guys can see. Yeah, not too shiny, nice and flat. Regardless, nobody's really gonna see this, but it's just something that kind of bothered me that it was all rusted up. So I figured, I do a nice little cleanup for it, and it's not really hard to pull off, so it's pretty easy. So I have the dash here, getting ready to set it up, and yeah, hopefully we get to start working on Venom and getting it going. At least the dash will be on, charge harness will be on, fix up the whole wiring, and yeah. What's up, everybody? So today I am trying to finish up for Autocon, but might not happen, it might happen depending on the body shop. I had a couple like scuffs on the bumper, so I wanted to take care of them before everything. Obviously I used to drive the car a lot. I got a lot of rock chips, so trying to take care of that. Also had like little baby cracks by the headlights, so I wanted to take care of that. And yeah, hopefully the body shop will have it done by tomorrow. If it doesn't happen, then I'm not taking the car. I decided that, and even decided to even redo the whole car at that point already, because I won't be able to take it to another show. Well, maybe so. I'm thinking about taking it to Honda Super Street, so we shall see. As you can see right now, I'm still in the moment, putting together the whole car. I should have the whole car done by tomorrow, if anything, which would be Saturday. And then I have Sunday, which is Autocon, so hopefully I'll be able to make it, and yeah, we'll see how things go. Still got a lot of things to put together. I did take out the seats. I will be trying to see if I could do everything. If I could, then I'll put in the seats and get everything rolling and turn on the car. I still have to mount on the new radiator support, so I really haven't had a chance to even do that, or even had time to even work on the car. So hopefully I'll be able to finish all that up and get the ball rolling, hopefully, since it's a lot of meets coming up and I'm missing a lot of them, and I'm trying to actually take the car to a lot of meets, but it's just a lot of delayed process and life happens, so yeah, hopefully I'll get the ball rolling, get to show you guys everything.